Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the region or country of your TikTok account. If you recently moved to another country or want to update your account settings, TikTok gives you the option to change your account region. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Once you're signed into TikTok, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. From here, tap Account, and then select Account Information. You'll now see your phone number, email address, and the option we're looking for, which is Account Region. Tap on it, and TikTok will show you the list of available countries. However, before changing your region, there is something important you should know. In most cases, TikTok requires you to currently live in the country you want to switch to. If you don't meet that requirement, TikTok may still allow the change if you've been using the app in that country for at least 60 days. For example, if you try to switch to a country without meeting either of those requirements, TikTok may display a message saying that the region can't be updated. So make sure you meet one of these conditions before attempting to change your account region.
And that's it. Now you know how to change the region or country of your TikTok account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!